Solar panels let homeowners bulk buy electricity at a fixed cost for 25 plus years. This protects against inflation and rising electricity rates. With systems warranted for 25 years and lasting over 30, they can be a long-term investment in stable energy costs. Rising electricity rates, such as the 44% increase from 2021 to 2024 in the speakers area, make solar an appealing option. Hypothetical scenarios suggest savings of $23,000 to $153,000 over 25 years. It depends on annual electricity rate increases of 3 to 10%. A home's solar viability depends on its roof, sun exposure, and shading. It also needs enough space for solar panels. Financing solar systems often includes a 30% federal tax credit and sometimes local incentives. This lowers upfront costs. Cash purchases can save more by eliminating financing costs. Solar panels degrade over time, losing 10 to 20% efficiency after 25 years.